Kind of feel like depressed sometimes, both physically, mentally, and emotionally, but never under control.
Miss Jen, look like if you got here, you can take up your phone and call. Anything where you want help with, man, in any aspect, you just shout and make you know what time it is.
No, man, brother. I'm going to be covered right now. I always keep that in mind. Oh, I'm going to be vicious. Last time I forward over there, I was easier with him baby man. I make him know say I'm changing lifestyle and his style of living. He wants to spend time with his son. But happy if you know say she bust him again.
Let me see your phone I'm grabbing.
What kind of phone is mother?
iPhone 14, man.
Mother, do all this. Me say no forget my iPhone, mother. And you have to give him that yourself, you know.
Miss Jen, I tell her say it is a little know say the man bucket too about. Does the time I jump around and bucket you with it?
Lie!
Yeah, man. Man, I behave like proper pastor. All the man is a jacket suit, man, I tell you. Me and the man sit down there good, mister. Me and the man get up. Oh, me look. That's a way. I think I answer by it more. When me take a start, man, shut up. Me see how...
Too extra, man. Don't go so.
Reach over there. Actually, reach over there and get still. So,
Sorry, never that.
I see a couple minutes after that, like, she hide all the youth, you know, because it's like she don't give all a surprise, you know? And I see the youth come here, I want to see the man. I tell you, it's a joy still, different.
Me feel
Yes,
still
I.
really happy
Man, glad bag me the boss.
Happy feel.
Right now, you know what babysit, my babysit right now. Yeah, man. That's the way I speak. Yeah, man, him now come out.
Nothing wrong with
that.
that. It is a good
I
look.
tell you.
I appreciate so much changing lifestyle.
Father's Day will never see.
Good look.
Yeah?
It's a good never see.
Yeah, coming like him go to theater to watch a Bad Boys 4.
What did I say?
Yeah, come on, me know say that. You see it, him go out for the Father's Day and go full joy himself, you know? So him a go on good, so I just encourage him to stay upon that part there.
And I will continue to do it, you know, because I remember I said the least I could thing with sugar, you know, because he's still young and naive, certainly very son, and I have to dead with him, guide him and money time.
And that you the man. Realest way, you know?
Yeah.
That is it.
I want to tell you, say, I'm middle of China, Miss Jen. I look at things going, you know.
Yeah? What go on?
Auntie Jenny, you know, so then go up and fall down the road again.
Oh, Jesus. You hear from anybody from up here?
Somebody from up here, because I see them sit there in a community and a barn.
Miss Jen, you know the same thing Butcher they got tell you a while. The other night when time everything done, you know, them grab Vicious baby mother phone to, you know.
Listen, sit up on our phone place too. It's a worldwide thing, man.
I want to tell you, say, if you catch a boy that one night, I will skin that alive. Run him down, you know. Boy, I be 2 fence, but watch out. Drop your phone, brother. I saw him get to it. Let's take up the phone and move.
Miss Jen, I know some want to tell us they look like a some youth of grown in a community, them and rob people phone door. Because none of the youth them in our ear and all that, you know.
And then boy officer knows so them can't try that now.
And
And
then-
just don't set the standard.
You remember last week when you and Tony did that talk? We see 2 boys passing and it's tired.
Then now you don't look anywhere familiar to you.
You don't know them.
And you not alert nobody.
But because Auntie Jen did that talk to Tony and me don't want to disturb her. Somebody forget about it.
Jen, there you go on. Any strange face at all you see in our community, you have to report them thing the instant. You see me give Miss Jen a heads up fast.
That's something that she's supposed to know, you know, because I tell her that more than one time.
Panther. Like we have company.
Oh, I miss Brissett and Whisper. May I forward my brother?
You mean we are forward?
Wait.
Miss
Wanna
Brissett.
lose on the way.
Whisper.
What's up? It's
Wow.
family gathering.
Oh.
Bartender.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Whisper. Hello, boy. Yeah, bring the family today.
I get that chair, that's all.
Bring another one for me when you're forward.
Alright.
So, which one of the breeze them blow on the other side there?
You know, say I saw we circle like Panther. Right through.
Right, true. We have to make sure everything go. And up on our ends alone.
I like that. Community spirit. And not check my phone on alone, but the rest of the community them. I like that vibe there.
Just give me that thing.
Mr. Miss Brissett, how was your trip?
You hear me say you must call me Bubbles? No bother with the Miss Brissett thing, man.
Alright,
But the trip was hectic, but progressive, you know. I'm glad I come see this. I mean, 2 different communities in that one space, because want some things I want to talk to them about.
Boy, Miss Brissett, you look like one of them foreign police there. You know the one who say, freeze! Don't move!
if we more sweet one more time.
So how we go, Miss Brissett?
Seriously though, you know, say if your jewelry business don't work out, it is. You can cut on a stand-up comedian, you know. But how it go? All things pound the block.
You know, so right before we reach, we there discuss a local issue. Like it affect the whole community right now.
Yes, say. What that?
Why Miss Brissett, I mean Bubbles. The phone thieving thing get prevalent up here and say it is them have the same problem over for them side.
Bossy, you look at the man must spread them wings, you know.
So you hear about it?
Yeah, man. We know about it. It's just that we never know exactly which part it happen.
Why Bubbles? If you just come a little bit earlier, you'd catch one of them. Cause them just grab a girl phone down on the flat.